High rates, 6G mode. Real good. Just practicing some low, slow flying and hovering. She's doing great. She's doing fantastic. 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 Got her turned up real good now. High rates. If you use low rates, it's too sluggish, from my experience. Real good. Real good. She's doing fantastic, folks. Fantastic. Whoa! I was looking at the camera, not the copter. Don't ever do that, I say to myself. Not ever. All right. All right. Back to getting focus. Focus. There we go. Focus. She's real good. Flying real good. Low and slow circuits. Slow and slow circuits. Took my eyes off the copter again. Can't do it. Yeah, since we're totally getting reacquainted with helicopters, almost 2 years without flying a helicopter, and I'm getting reacquainted with this helicopter, so we're just flying really mellow right now, folks. Really mellow. Really mellow. Oh, she's flying like $1,000,000, ladies and gents. A little slight bank to turn there, slight banking action, slight. 9 to 10 minute flight time on this helicopter, folks. Unbelievable. With the included 1500 milliamp hour, 25C, 11.1 volt. Wow, she's doing great. Doing fantastic. Oh, pay attention to the camera. Oh, helicopter, not the camera, damn it. All right, here we go. We got a little bit of grass stuck in the tail boom. We're not going to try idle up right now because we're getting used to this helicopter. Instability mode. You still got to fly it just because it's stability mode. All right, we'll go for the landing here. We're going to do grass. I was going to try to land on the landing pad, but folks, just not up to it right now. There you go. There you go. Let's get it closer here. Get it over here. There you go. Wind's picking up a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. All right, that wasn't the best. Wasn't the worst. Wasn't the best landing. Wasn't the worst. I'll take it, folks. I'll take it. All right, that was a superb maiden flight, folks. Oh, I enjoyed that. A little nervous, but enjoyed it. So there she is, sitting in some grass. It's a couple inches deep, I guess. And her tail rotor doesn't clear, but as long as you're not using the tail rotor, when you do the last bit of touchdown, the tail rotor will just stop. It'll just stop. Okay, folks, that was great. I hope we got some of this on camera. Hope we did. Hope we did. This is such a nice copter, folks. So nice. Oh, it's nice. Really, really digging it. I'm really, really digging it. Oh, I flew this before. It was great. And again, it's really important, in my opinion, unless you're brand new, maybe. But even if you're brand new at flying helicopters, I probably still would cautiously recommend going with high rates, because on this particular model, in my opinion and from my experience, if you're in low rates, it's just too sluggish. So you end up over inputting on the sticks, which gives you more than you expected, and then you over correct, trying to correct that, and you get some yo-yo effect up and down going on. So I suggest high rates. At least let me restate that. I suggest folks consider high rates. All right, so there she is. There she is. I think she's really nicely made, really nicely designed. She certainly flies really nice, no question. Just taking a look at her. Taking a look at her workings. Yeah. Okay, folks. All right, thanks for joining me for this maiden. It was really a lot of fun. We did about a 6-minute flight, I guess. All right, folks, fantastic. I'm going to do some more practicing with this off camera. And then after I've done that for a while, then we'll do a demo of the idle up mode, aka 3D mode, aka collective pitch mode. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Signing off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.